Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to start a voice call in Messenger. If you need to have a quick chat with your friends or colleagues, this guide is for you. To get started, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Once you're signed in, tap on a chat to open it. To start a voice call, you'll need to follow these simple steps. 1. Tap on the phone icon from the top right corner of the chat screen. 2. Messenger will start a voice call for you. The other person will receive a notification that you're calling them. 3. During the call, you can use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to mute and unmute your microphone, as well as turn your speaker on and off. Starting a voice call in Messenger is a great way to stay connected with your friends and colleagues. Whether you need to quickly catch up with someone or have a remote work meeting, Messenger makes it easy to have a voice conversation anytime, anywhere. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.